Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two under-desk treadmills, the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill and the UREVO walking pad.
Get ready to walk and laugh your way through this video.
Let's kick things off with the price category.
The REDLIRO under-desk treadmill comes in at $469, while the UREVO walking pad says, "Hold my water bottle," with its more affordable price of just $199. Ouch. That's gotta hurt, REDLIRO. UREVO takes the lead in this round. Now let's talk about motor power and noise. The REDLIRO treadmill boasts a quiet high-power 2.25 HP motor, ensuring you won't disturb your neighbors while you work up a sweat.
Meanwhile, the UREVO walking pad comes in with a silent motor and noise levels below 45 decibels. It's so quiet, you can have a conversation with your pet turtle while walking.
Point goes to UREVO for being the ninja of treadmills.
Size matters, especially when it comes to under-desk treadmills.
The REDLIRO treadmill offers a 41-inch by 15-inch running area, accommodating most users. It's also foldable, making it easy to store under your bed or desk.
On the other hand, the UREVO walking pad takes the portability game to the next level with its compact dimensions of 46.57 x 19.29 x 4.45 inches.
It's like a treadmill that went on a diet. UREVO wins the race in this category. Let's dive into the features category, where things get really interesting. The REDLIRO treadmill comes equipped with 12 preset programs and manual modes, simulating real motion scenes to keep your workouts exciting.
Plus, it has a multi-function display and a remote control for ultimate convenience. Now, the UREVO walking pad may not have as many preset programs, but it still offers an LED display, remote control, and the ability to adjust speed. It's like having your own personal trainer minus the yelling.
This round ends in a tie. Based on online reviews, the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill is praised for its size, portability, and value for money. Users have mentioned burning calories, increased energy, and improved physical activity levels.
On the other hand, the UREVO walking pad is commended for its portability, lightweight design, affordability, and ease of use.
Users have found it comfortable, accommodating, and suitable for incorporating movement during the day. Both treadmills have received positive reviews overall. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the REDLIRO under-desk treadmill and the UREVO walking pad in various categories, and it's time for you to decide which one suits your needs. Let us know in the comments below which treadmill you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more epic showdowns between your favorite products. The links to both treadmills are in the description.
Stay smart, stay savvy, and keep on buying smart.